How to clear history on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Settings as shown. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and go to Maps History. You will then be redirected to the Maps Activity page. The Maps activity you keep is used to improve your experience. You can see your activity, delete it manually, or choose to delete it automatically using the controls on this page. Here, tap on Auto Delete. Now, choose an Auto Delete activity time range from here. For example, 36 months. Then, tap on Next. This means that once activity is older than 36 months, it will be deleted automatically. Tap on Confirm below. Following these steps, you can easily clear history on Google Maps on iPhone.